First, unplug your drill from the outlet. There are two different types of arbors. For standard arbors without the brass coolant inducer, loosen the set screw holding the arbor onto the motor spindle. If your drill has a brass coolant inducer, first remove the coolant tube. Next, remove the screw from the front of the inducer. Then, rotate the arbor until the set screw inside the inducer is even with the hole. Next, loosen the set screw holding the arbor onto the motor output spindle. Once the arbor is loose, remove the two bolts using a 9/16 inch wrench or ratchet that hold the front support bracket to the magnet. Thread the adapter onto the drill chuck. Be sure the washers are centered when tightened, or wobbling could result. Install the chuck and adapter onto the motor spindle. Tighten the set screw. You are now ready to use your Hougen mag drill and drill chuck.